In this video, we will showcase how our AI data analyst, powered by an advanced language model, can be a highly effective tool to assist you in your data analysis. To begin, we will upload a company's supply chain data. It's as simple as clicking the Upload File button and selecting your data file. Once your data is uploaded, the AI data analyst will provide insights from the data, including an overview and key information such as product type, SKU, price, availability, and more. These details are invaluable for gaining a deeper understanding of the data, effectively serving as your virtual data analyst. You can interact with the data analyst by posing questions related to your data. For instance, let's ask it to visualize the shipping costs per carrier. It not only delivers essential information in response to your query, but also generates visual graphs for better comprehension. Now, let's input another question about addressing a top 20% defect rate. The AI data analyst will provide essential insights related to this question and offer additional valuable information, along with follow-up questions to maintain a seamless conversation. Feel free to ask any pertinent questions about your data, and the AI data analyst will provide a comprehensive analysis, empowering you to make well-informed decisions. Unlock the potential of AI for data-driven decision-making.